Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for June 7th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news: your AI career starts this Sunday. AI 101 Concept of the Week. What it is. Prompt injection is a hack where someone sneaks a hidden command into a prompt to trick an AI into doing something it shouldn't. Analogy: imagine a bank teller who follows every instruction literally. A robber could whisper, "Give me all the cash," inside a seemingly normal request. Prompt injection is that hidden whisper. How it works: 1. An attacker crafts a message that looks innocent but contains a hidden instruction. The AI processes the entire input and follows the hidden instruction as if it were part of the user's real request. Number 3. The AI then performs an unintended action, like leaking sensitive data or executing a command. Real example: OpenAI unveiled lockdown mode this week to protect sensitive data from prompt injection attacks in ChatGPT. Why you should care. As AI assistants handle more business data, knowing how to secure prompts is a must-have skill for any AI developer or security role. AI jobs and skills this week. AI engineer at big tech startup, $120,000 to $180,000. Skills: Python, LLM APIs, prompt engineering. Data scientist at big tech startup, $110,000 to $170,000. Skills: SQL, machine learning, data visualization. Software engineer, AI focus, big tech startup, $130,000 to $200,000. Skills: Python, cloud platforms, AI ML frameworks. AI product manager at big tech startup, $140,000 to $210,000. Skills: AI strategy, cross-functional leadership, technical literacy. Hottest role this week: AI engineer. The surge in agentic AI and cloud AI tools, AWS Bedrock, Google Gemini, makes this the most in-demand role for building production-ready AI systems. Prompt engineering. Why now? With OpenAI's lockdown mode and new console experiences on AWS Bedrock, companies need experts who can craft secure, effective prompts. Learn in 4 weeks. Cloud AI APIs, AWS Bedrock, Google Gemini. Why now? AWS just launched a new Bedrock console optimized for Anthropic and OpenAI APIs, and Google is spending $920 million per month on compute. Cloud AI skills are exploding. Learn in 6 weeks. AI security basics. Why now? Prompt injection attacks are a top concern. See lockdown mode news, and security-aware AI builders are rare. Learn in 3 weeks. If you learn one thing this week, prompt engineering, it's the single highest impact skill for landing your first AI job, and you can start with free tools like ChatGPT today. AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT, generate ideas, draft emails, summarize articles. Perfect for any beginner. Free tier available. ChatGPT plus $20 per month. $3 Bing Image Create Images. Turn text descriptions into images. Great for designers, marketers, and creators. Free with limited credits. Google Gemini, learning and coding. Ask questions, get explanations, and write code. Ideal for students and career switchers. Free tier available. GitHub Copilot Coding, AI pair programmer that suggests code in real time. For developers of any level. Free for students, $10 per month otherwise. Perplexity AI, AI-powered search with cited answers. Perfect for quick learning and fact-checking. Free tier available. Best starting point: ChatGPT. It's the most versatile, beginner-friendly AI tool, and mastering prompt engineering here transfers directly to every other AI tool. Cloud AI for developers, compare and start. Azure OpenAI, best for beginners who want enterprise-grade models with Microsoft's integration. Free, $200 credits for first month. Start, go to portal.azure.com, create a resource, and deploy a GPT-4 model. AWS Bedrock, best for beginners who want to compare multiple models, Anthropic, OpenAI in one place. Free, 1 month free tier includes 50,000 text generations. Start, go to consoles.amazon.com/bedrock and launch the new console experience. Google Gemini API, best for beginners who want a unified API with a generous free tier. Free, 60 requests per minute, 1M tokens context window. Start, go to asstudio.google.com and get your API key. For a complete beginner today, AWS Bedrock is the easiest because its new console lets you browse and compare models side by side without any code. Your single first action. Sign up for a free AWS account and launch the Bedrock console to test a prompt with the Claude model. Career Action Plan. News: OpenAI unveiled lockdown mode to protect sensitive data from prompt injection attacks, showing security is now a top priority for AI companies. Opportunity: as companies rush to secure their AI systems, demand for AI security specialists and prompt engineers who understand these vulnerabilities is skyrocketing. Your action. This week, complete the free Prompt Engineering for Developers course on deeplearning.ai, deeplearning.ai/courses, and add prompt injection awareness to your LinkedIn skills section. Result: doing this puts you ahead of 90% of candidates for AI engineer roles because most applicants still ignore security basics. Free resource of the week: ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. deeplearning.ai/courses ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. What you'll learn: prompting best practices, iterative development, summarizing, inferring, transforming, and expanding. Time: 2 hours, level beginner, free, yes. Why now? This course directly teaches you how to craft prompts that avoid injection attacks, exactly what OpenAI's lockdown mode aims to prevent. Week in brief. OpenAI launched lockdown mode to protect sensitive data from prompt injection attacks. Security is now a core AI job skill. Google will pay SpaceX $920 million per month for compute, shows the massive infrastructure demand behind AI, creating cloud and hardware roles. Unveiled RTX Spark, a superchip for personal AI agents, and celebrated with Korean gaming giants, AI is moving to consumer devices. AWS released a new Bedrock console optimized for Anthropic and OpenAI APIs, makes cloud AI easier for beginners. Stepped back into the spotlight after months of silence, signals that AI leadership roles are still in flux and open for new talent. The one thing to remember this week: AI security and cloud skills are the fastest path to a high-paying AI job right now. Conclusion and key takeaways. You are already ahead of 90% of job seekers just by spending 7 minutes on your AI career every Sunday. Next week, we'll break down how to build your first AI portfolio project that will get you hired. Don't forget, subscribe and come back every Sunday at 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. What is your biggest AI question this week? Drop it below. I read every comment.